Hey guys, this video is going to be about me upgrading my anvil. Right now I've got about 55, 60 pound piece of 4140. Uh, it's about 13 inches long, and it's pretty good, but it doesn't have the best rebound, and it's pretty light for a 2 pound hammer. The ratio for an anvil to hammer is usually recommended at 50 to 1, so 50 pounds of anvil for every 1 pound of hammer. So I have a 2 pound anvil, or a 2 pound hammer, that make the minimum approximately 100 pounds. So right now I'm like half of that. So I'm just gonna test this out. I got 55 pounds steel ball. I'm gonna drop it at about 12 inches and see what the rebound is like. I'll do this a couple times because I can't really see it from this angle. So it looks like it's going to about 8, coming back up about 8, 7 and 3/4 inches, which is pretty good, about 66%. But hopefully with the addition of a piece of 1018, I got a piece of 23 inch 1018. It's 4 inch by 4 inch, and I'm going to add that to the bottom of the anvil because right now it's just air. I'm going to cut it down to about 21 inches, and I'm also going to weld on some wheels to the bottom of this so I can move it around a lot easier, because right now I've just been picking it up, and with it being only about 60 pounds I could do that, but once it's 150 pounds I can't move it around as easily. So that's the basic upgrades I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this down, add the wheels, and hopefully make a better anvil. Stay tuned. So I have the 1018 cut down. It's 21 inches right now, and I have the 4140 stacked on top of it. You can see right there, and I'm just gonna check the rebound and see if I've gained any rebound at all. I'm gonna try and drop it at 12 inches. So it looks like it's coming up to about 9 inches. Which is a good gain. So it's only losing 1/4 of the energy instead of 1/3, which is good. So more rebound, the better. So it's a little bit more, which is good. So now all I have to do is get it into the holder for it, which I've welded on some wheels to, so I can roll it around, and hopefully it'll be easy. I'll just lay it down, slide them both in, and then pick them up. So the corners of the block are just a tiny bit big for the thing, because they have a radius on the inside. So I'm going to take my angle grinder and grind down the sides, and there's just like a 1/16 of an inch on each side, and hopefully that'll be enough to clear it. So the base of the guides was a little tight, so I had to cut them to see the anvil drop all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to re-weld those, and it should be finished. So I welded everything back up, and it's all finished. Got the wheels on. I welded the handles back together. Oops. Because I needed to cut them to re-weld that. And it's about 150 pounds now. The rebound is a little bit better. I think it would be even better if I hardened this piece of 4140. This is unhardened right now. But it's been serving me quite well. And I can already tell that it's going to work a lot better and be more useful. It's not going to shake the whole shed while I'm working in here. So I think it's been a good investment for that piece of steel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the build.